evening. So today we are going to do a very delicious recipe which is nothing but crispy corn. It will be a very nice hit at home during our evening time for coffee and tea. And this crispy corn will be in restaurant style. It is almost similar to Barbecue Nation. So try this crispy corn recipe for everybody. The ingredients that is required to make this crispy corn in restaurant style is we have taken 1 cup of corn and 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. For garnishing I have taken small chopped onion and chopped coriander leaves with salt. So these are the items required. So come, let us see what is the next step. I have kept a vessel. It's getting boiled. So as the water is getting boiled, we need to add the corns into it. So do not overcook it. Just cook it for 2 minutes and drain the water completely and wait for 5 minutes. Then we need to do the step-by-step process. So the water is getting boiled. So I am adding the corns little by little. Ensure it does not get overcooked. Just for 2 minutes. So the 2 minutes is over. The corn is well boiled. I am offing the stove and we are going to drain the water completely. So friends, I am just adding the cooked corn into it so that the water all gets drained completely, and we need to wait for 5 minutes. You can see the water is completely drained. So let us wait for 5 minutes. Friends, so our corn is being shifted to another bowl. The water is completely drained. Once the water is drained, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Actually we need to add 4 tablespoons. We need to add little by little. So later on we will add the second batch. And 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix the corn gently so that it does not get breaked. Mix it gently and you can find the texture. The flour should be well coated with our corns so that when we are cooking it, it will get crispier and crunchier. See friends, so I have mixed it well. At this stage I am adding the required amount of salt. After adding the salt, now as a second time we are going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. You can find it, every corn is nicely blended with the corn flour and the rice flour. Now I am just adding little. If you feel the water is more, you can add, otherwise you can stop with 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now it's all mixed well, you can find it. Now we need to deep fry the corn. See friends, I have heated the non-stick pan with the required amount of oil. When you are frying the corns, ensure the oil is nicely it's getting heated, because if you have it in low flame, the corn will absorb more oil and the taste will not be nice and it will not be crunchy and crispy. So ensure it is very hot. Now you need to drop little by little the corn into it and we need to deep fry it. So our crispy corn is fried and you can see the crispy corn here. You can see the sound of it. So it is fried well. So in this we are going to add all the powders that was told. So I am adding 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. This all will give you the added flavors. And the chaat masala. If you do not have chaat masala, it's okay, but still if you add chaat masala, it will be nice. In case if you do not have chaat masala, you can add lemon juice. So I am adding chaat masala 1 spoon. I am adding a little bit. Yes, so salt we have already added. So let us mix this well gently. Not to use a spatula, the corns are very soft and crispy, it will break. So just do it in the bowl itself. So our restaurant style crispy corn Barbecue Nation style, it's ready to be served. It's so The smell is just, the smell of it is like making us mouth water right away. So in this, I'm just adding the chopped onions just to garnish it along with chopped coriander leaves, and it can be served. It can be served. So it's ready to be displayed. See friends, our restaurant style crispy corn is ready to be served as our evening snack. So please try this recipe. It's a very crispy and crunchy recipe. Everyone will like it in your family. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye-bye.